So here's the exhaust video of this 2019 Camaro SS. It's got the active exhaust. Right now it's in stealth mode. Go ahead and rev it up. That's it. That was stealth mode. Now switch it to track and rev it up. Definitely a lot louder. Okay, now cruise away in stealth mode. Now this is cruising away in track mode, so it's the loud one with the valves open. All right. Now this is going to be full throttle in stealth mode with the valves closed. Okay. It's actually really quiet for him to be flooring that. Huh. Now this is full throttle in track mode, which is with the valves open. All right.